What's up YouTube? So ang i-troubleshoot na to karon kuan kini cigarette battery no or power outlet. Kung nakita nyo dyan, this one here is working like we need to see. We plug this in. This is the USB, auxiliary USB for the cigarette butt, and this is the USB charger. So we're gonna try this here. As you can see, it has a power straight away, 11.9. so the battery monitor system niya is 11.9, which is good. And here, see, and there is no power, so that means we're gonna check the fuse, or worst case scenario the relay, but we're gonna check the fuse first, the fuse box. Normally fuse box, and also here we have also the cigarette power here, power outlet, and then it doesn't work as well. So first things first, we're gonna check the fuse. And how to do that, of course, we need a tester. So this is our tester here. So we're gonna check our fuse box here. And some of the models, they have like a diagram in here written, and some don't have diagram. So first thing first, we're gonna look around here, the power outlet. So power outlet, and that is here. This power outlet, guys, is for the cigarette butt or cigarette cigarette butt connection, whatever. So here, so since wala tayong nakita na cigarette lighter, normally they put cigarette lighter in here, but as of this one, don't have the cigarette lighter. So we look here, power outlet. So since the power outlet is like 25 amperes, it says 25, so we're gonna connect our tester here on the negative side, and then we're gonna look around the 25 here. So here, so from 15 to 30, 15, 20, 25. So from here, this is 15. I'm gonna check to confirm if it is working. Yeah. So we're gonna look around here, the 25, which is the power outlet. See here? And then we go on the other side, and that's not working. So that's the fuse blown. So we're gonna take it out and double check, since we have no puller here. So we're gonna use this thing like this, use the tip to pull the fuse like that. Oh god, let's fly over. So we're gonna use this is the spare fuse here, as you can see here, spare. So this is the one. So each fuse have a spare like 1/8 amperes one. Ito ning hinay-hinayon kay wala tay basig mo lagpot na po ni wala tay ikapuli. Okay. So mas maayog do na mo pliers, long nose nga pliers. But about this moment, tapulan kay kumukuhag pliers na manggod sa ban. So kaning kamutan na nato ni nga madala-dala na nato ni kamot. So this is how you diagnose if the power outlet or the cigarette butt is not working. Normally it's fuse, no? Fuse. Bihira lang talaga yung relay masira, bihira lang. like one out, like out of 10 only 1% na masira yung kanyang relay, but mostly fuse talaga pagka cigarette. So titingnan natin yung nilagay natin. Yes, on the other side, yes, working. So it's working now, and then we gonna double check around here. We gonna double check if it's working. So try to put on the USB here outlet, and yes, so it's charging. Hi! Yes, so all of these are working. The reason why it's not working before, because the fuse is blown, no? So that's how you're gonna check your power outlet. And we're gonna check also here on the passenger side. Yes, it's working now. Okay, so that's it, guys. Power outlet or the cigarette butt is working now, so we're good. We're good. Balik na natin yung balik na natin yung ating cover ng fuse box. So pagka may time tayo, bibili tayo ng 25 amps na fuse para ilagay natin dito sa spare, kasi nawala na yung spare, no? Nagamit na yung spare. So that's how you check cigarette butt lighter or power outlet.